What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the Fidelity basket portfolios. And this is something that I considered for a long time, but then I learned how to do automatic investing. And I'm going to show you why this is a complete waste of money. And you can basically do this without paying any fees, as long as you're disciplined. So let me show you how to do that. But first, let's review what Fidelity basket portfolios is. So what they're saying is, this is a way that you can build your own portfolio using baskets. So you can build each basket with the stocks and ETFs that you want. You can trade it with one click. You can manage them as one investment, and they're saying you have more control. But what I see here is $4.99 a month, which adds up to $60 a year. And to me, that's way too much money to be giving away when you could do this option for free. But let's get into it. Let's go over the video so you can see exactly what it's about.
Stocks and ETFs to invest in, but managing them can be challenging and time-consuming, even with spreadsheets and other tricks to help you stay on top of it all. What if there was a faster and easier way to buy and manage your individual securities? Enter Fidelity Basket Portfolios. Build a basket of stocks and ETFs and manage it as one investment. It's easy to get started. Already have an existing Fidelity brokerage account? You're ready to enroll. Simply pick your stocks and ETFs, or get started with one of our pre-built models, created by Fidelity experts. Invest any amount you want using fractional shares, and trade each basket with one click. Want to build another basket? Create as many as you'd like, and monitor performance from your personalized dashboard, or as grouped positions within your brokerage account. Want to rebalance as the market shifts? Use advanced features, including one-click rebalancing, and have the freedom to allocate new contributions to your most underweight securities first, while avoiding the hassle of manual calculations. All you need is an existing brokerage account to enroll. It's that easy. For a monthly fee, you can create as many baskets as you want, and trade U.S. stocks and ETFs online with zero commissions and no account minimums required. Fidelity Basket Portfolios. More possibilities, more control.
All right, so they add the fancy music, makes it sound like it's a great deal. But overall, what it's really doing, how does this work? You're going to pick the stocks and ETFs that you want in your basket, and they're going to have these pre-built models for you. And then you just invest in them. So you take advantage of buying fractional shares. So if you're going to do, let's say, like, $10 every week, you could buy $10 worth of Apple, Amazon, Tesla, etc. And then they make it nice and easy for you to monitor. Now, you don't need any account minimums. There's no new account needed. You can use your pre-existing accounts. But to me, it is too much money to be putting into just to use this. You could easily just buy the individual stocks. So let's get into it. Let's show you how you do automatic investing. And I'm going to show you with my own portfolio because it's very simple to do. And you don't have to buy index funds or ETFs. You could do your individual stock. Let's say you want to buy Apple every single week or every single month. So I typed in automatic under the search bar, and then I went under your scheduled transfers. And then this is how to set up your managed scheduled transfers. Click on this. As you can see, I already have a scheduled transfer of money every single week. I buy FSPGX. My next $250 investment is going to get transferred from my bank account on May 13th. But now I'm going to show you how to do this with individual stocks. You can create your own FidFolio portfolio just by doing this. So create new activity and then click on investment. All right, so now that you have this tab up, it shows recurrent investment on the top. And the security type, you just need to click on this and it gives you three options: Fidelity Basket Portfolios, Stocks and ETFs, and Mutual Funds. Where I did my FSPGX was under Mutual Funds, but let's review the stocks. So stocks, then you're going to click your account number, and then you put in the stock. So let's just say Tesla. So you type in Tesla, and the Tesla symbol will pop up. Now you will go to the amount, and let's say $10. And what you can do is you can select the frequency and do weekly, every 2 weeks, and monthly. So if you want to buy $10 of Tesla every week, $40 a month, you could just put weekly. If you want to buy it every 2 weeks or at the end of the month, you could do that. So we'll just put weekly for now. Then you select the day that shows, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday during market hours. We'll say Monday. And a common question I get is, when does it actually buy the individual stock? So I sent Fidelity a message, and currently they said it fills around 10 a.m. So around 10 a.m., and 30 minutes after the bell opens, it'll buy shares for you. And then you can click the start date. You can set it for whenever you want. And it always usually lands on the like a couple of days later. So you can click like further in advance, or the soonest I can do is just the 8th. You can put an end date if you want. But what's the real trick here is you can use a linked bank account. So if you have a current account that you're using under your accounts, and the only reason I'm not clicking it because I just don't want to show all my information, so I'm trying to keep that hidden. But if you look at the use a linked bank account, you could just click this button and it'll pull directly from the checking account that you use to fund your Fidelity account. So like in my taxable account, I have, for my bank account, it'll pull from the bank account $10 every single Monday, and it'll buy Tesla $10 worth every single Monday on a weekly basis. And you could do this for any stock you want. You could do this for Apple if you wanted to. They all come up. And then that's what's cool. So right here, I'm creating my own version of FidFolios. I can type in the exact amount that I want to do. So if you knew that you wanted to create a FidFolio portfolio and avoid the $5 fee, you can continue to put in companies that you want to buy every single week. No hesitation. Let's say I wanted to do 5 companies and I wanted to do a 20% allocation to it, let's say. And I want to do $50 a week, right? And let's just think of another stock off of the top of our head. We'll put them in, and then we'll put Ford in. So now I have these guys, and I want to buy, let's say, like $5 of them, $10 of this, a little higher allocation to, let's say, Apple, and it'll show you the total amount. And all you have to do now, you can change this any amount you want. And just make sure you have the money in your bank account, obviously, to pay for it. But here you go. So there you go. So now this is my Fidelity FidFolio that I'm doing for free. I'm not paying $5 to do this. I'm going to buy this in one of my accounts. I could do this in my taxable account. I could do this in my IRA. I could do this in my Roth. As long as you have money to fund it. If you're going to use that feature to use the linked bank account, it's got to be a taxable account, because you're not going to be, I think you could use it for your Roth if you knew how much money that you were going to contribute to it to make sure you don't go over the limit. That would probably be acceptable, but I would just call Fidelity to confirm that. But I'm doing this within my taxable. So now every Monday, you could just buy fractional shares of Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Ford, or AT&T, I'm sorry. And you can add as many as you want. You can just keep going if you want. You can just keep adding them. So I want to buy $2 of PayPal, and then just hit preview. And then once you put your account in, it'll come up. So I clicked preview, I put my account number in, it's just hidden behind this. And as you can see, it'll show AT&T $5, Tesla $10, Apple $5, Ford $20, Nvidia $5, which is a total of $45 every single week on Monday, starting, May 8th, 2024, whenever you're watching this video. It basically takes like 5 to 6 days, and then you can start the automatic investing. And that's how you avoid the $5 fee. All right, guys, hopefully you like what I just posted. If you did, I got more for you. Check out my Fidelity Index Funds and ETFs. I'm going to post a video at the end of this. That's the automatic investments for index funds and ETFs. I have a tutorial on that. So definitely check that out. And if you're interested on my channel, Trading Simplified, check out my membership. You can join as well. But take a look. I have all free stuff, investing for beginners, my trading P&L for trading in 2023, my day trading on Fidelity, long-term investments, trading strategies, investing ideas, and just my old trades from 2021. Definitely check out the channel. There's a lot of good free stuff, free content on here, and I look forward to seeing you next time.